Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will let you know how to remove scratches from a car. Run a fingernail over the scratches to see if they are surface or deep. If your fingernail does not catch on the scratches, then they are on the surface and using toothpaste might be a good option. Wash and dry the scratched area. Before you apply toothpaste to the scratches, make sure that the area is very clean. Rubbing dirt and debris into the scratched area will make the scratches worse. Apply a quarter-sized amount of toothpaste to a microfiber towel. Get the microfiber towel wet enough so that it is just damp. Then apply a quarter-sized amount of the toothpaste to the towel, or a little more or less depending on the size of the scratch. Rub the toothpaste into the scratched area using a circular motion. Push down on the microfiber cloth and move it in small circles to buff out the scratches. Do this until the toothpaste is well distributed on the surface. Rinse off any excess toothpaste. After you finish buffing out the scratches, rinse the area thoroughly to remove the excess toothpaste. Spray your car with a hose and then dry the area with a microfiber towel. Repeat the process up to 2 more times. You may need to do more than one application to get rid of surface scratches using toothpaste. Check the area to see if the scratches are still visible and then repeat the process 1 or 2 more times if needed. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.